How we doing, friends? This is Obi with Throdle, and I am right here next to this gorgeous 1978 280Z, or me being Canadian, the 280Z, which I think sounds even sexier. Now, why is this car so special? I'll tell you why. The Japanese manufacturers were wanting to establish who they were in the 70s. They wanted to show the world that we can make great sports cars too. Now, when you see this car in pictures, it doesn't look small, it looks big, but then when you see it in person, the silhouette is amazing. Why is it amazing? Because it's compact, it's light, and it's beautiful, and it's got details like you wouldn't believe. Just look at this gorgeous bodywork here. And our friend has installed some amazing LED lights. That is not 1970s OEM. In addition, we got this beautiful, great grille. And of course, some aftermarket special effects here. But what I love the most is really just looking at this car from the side. Look at the lines. It just goes and goes and goes. And then what do we have here? Probably one of the most definitive dashboards ever. We have these beautiful 3 gauges on the dashboard. Now, another thing I love about cars, I love the way they smell, and I love a car that's slightly flammable. You don't know if it's gonna fire up on you. And so what do? You always make sure you have a little fire extinguisher with you. Now, my friends, my last favorite piece about this car, carbon fiber spoiler. Doesn't that just look amazing? Anyway, be sure to follow us on Throdle, follow me on I Would Buy This Ride, and I'll see you next time. Leave your comments down below.